Let's go. Sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? It's been working just like. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
Zugondima is the name. Running is the game. Taking serious things and laughing about them is also part of the game. Enjoying what I do outside of all the other serious things that I have to do.
How serious are the things that you have?
Yeah, they are very serious. You know, sending a proof of payment of paying rent, serious business. You know what I mean? You have a minimum payment due off and meeting that minimum, serious business.
Doesn't feel minimum. At
all, right?
No, dude. You're just like minimum payment. You're off 6,000.
Ivo, what are you buying?
Nah, don't worry about it, sweetheart. I got my things.
Oh, it's all these endless offers that come up from everywhere. Congratulations.
On what?
You have qualified for.
Don't.
Also, congratulations.
Also, I don't want to qualify for something I didn't enter.
No,
that
but
I wasn't
also,
thinking about.
Why are you congratulating me?
Because
that is
qualification is supposed to be a positive thing.
Tough. Someone needs to do something. I don't know, NCA, NCR, something. No ways, bro.
Yeah, no, everybody's just trying to pull you into a debt situation.
Exactly. Have you ever been caught up somewhere?
Caught up where?
There by the monies.
No.
I
think I was caught up in Truex. There was a time when identity first arrived in the country and they were giving...
And you clearly didn't know yours.
No, I didn't know my identity was a broke student. And they were giving things to anyone. They were giving what do you call it? Account.
Yeah.
They were giving accounts to anyone who asked, bruh.
Sure.
And the befika, so we were like, "Woo, new store." Let's go fika for you and 9 cent for twin. They didn't ask you nothing. They just ask you for your ID number and they like go. 2 weeks later, Mbashino and June. And you still haven't paid for it? Interest and you still haven't paid for it. Yo, bruh.
Ideal citizen that you are, have you ever dumped a date?
No, what does that even look like? What does that mean?
It looks like I am a pen low private number.
I always sideline people who say that. I'm like, what are you into? This is your phone. What have you done, bro? You sound like you've done that before.
Me? No, bro.
Yeah, but that's not dumping a date. It's just like you're just pushing it a little further away. But
no, it's dumping a date is like I'm not gonna pay it forever.
Until
in fact.
Actually, there is one.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've uncovered the final truth.
No, but I got a new doctor last year, and then one prescribed a little nonsense.
Oh yeah.
Which is why I was going through all that stuff in December.
Yeah.
So the last time I went to go see him, I hadn't paid for it yet.
Yeah.
And I still haven't.
Okay.
And that was...
Oh, but he's going to list you, bro.
November.
But did you tell him? My man, you gave me the wrong medication. Therefore, I'm not going to pay you.
So, how is dumping a date then if I was released? It's not dumping it. You're just making bigger problems for yourself.
It is dumping it. I mean, ukunindesa blacklist wasingamana bamnyama wethu idector ukuthi hayi kaloku anzokwazi mina James ndimnyama blacklistiwe.
That's so intense.
Yeah.
Okay, how was your week? Did I get dead?
My week was fine. Where are we now? Yeah, my week was fine. Nothing Oh, plenty of special things happened. actually
Yes,
this
I'm
week.
like, what?
What am I even
Now I
talking
have
about?
to talk about all of them.
So we went to RMP Art Fair. RMP Art Fair.
Yes, that was amazing. Well,
What do you mean? Didn't you enjoy the art?
no, you know what? Honestly speaking, I can appreciate a lot of things that are in
Yeah.
the art sphere.
Yeah.
Actual art, I don't think is one of them.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't feel. You know what I mean? You know, sometimes people look at something and they go, "Wow, Kumba,
Mm,
I can't. I'm nowhere near that."
yeah.
And so I don't think I'm a actual art, not lover, but
Yeah.
I don't. It doesn't make me feel.
Understand.
Yeah, like I can
Okay.
see something and go, "That's pretty,"
Yes.
but not taba. Like I'm like enthralled by it. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, where I'm just like, "Oh, that's nice," and never think about it again. Whereas
Oh,
other people will see an
yes.
art piece and be like, "I can't stop thinking about it."
Yeah, sure. Sumalakha kaloku. Okay, got
And
you.
you, how did you feel?
Look, I mean, I discovered that I'm maybe more of a sculpture kind of guy.
Oh, nice. That's cool.
Yeah, but also is sculpture, I think of it in the sense of like if it could be like an ornament,
Mm,
right?
mm.
And not like mna ndifuna ukwenza ornaments.
And
So
not
it's like
into-
furniture. And not like art. Do you know what I mean? So art,
It's an ornament, not art.
I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, so mna ndivele ndicinge in that sense, mna
Mm.
ba, oh, okay, like I saw that that sculpture of like what looked like wood.
Logs.
With logs with
Yes,
silver.
but it was like silver.
And then I'm like, something like this by the Braai place.
Mm,
You understand?
yeah. Something practical, sort of.
Just tanda mna into ezine-order. This is the whole
Not
thing.
taba, kukho ixhego nje lichonywe phaa elingena-
Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
Eli colors zala painting azifani nayo into lapha endlini. Thanda ba i-order mna, like my brain just works a lot better.
Did you have fun though?
Yeah, absolutely. I had the most fun.
It was
really,
cool.
really
It was
cool.
our first time actually at an art
Yeah.
exhibition together.
Yeah.
And it was nice.
Big Mandy.
No, it wasn't
Doing
bad.
a little bit of playing together. You know, siblings that play together. I'm looking for something that I wrote. Oh. I'm looking for the list that I wrote there.
Oh,
of
yes.
everyone that we met.
So we met a lot of blings at that art exhibition. I was like, blings, fundini zilapha.
Yeah.
And we got so much love, pictures, hugs. It was absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it was really, really cool.
And so we decided to remember all your names. So we
No,
could-
stop it.
Okay.
Guys, we didn't remember all your names. We thought of remembering your names halfway through.
Okay.
So there's some people that might not make it on the list, but a special shout out to you.
Okay.
Special shout out also goes to Rose the Gardener,
Hey, Rise the Gardener.
Upalisa, Ngabisa, Tumi, Rina, and many more. Guys, shout out to you, man. You made our day extra special.
It really was.
And as usual, okay, guys, essential ZP pictures.
Asithenganga nakwi-picture eyi-one. It's like, are you just going to keep these pictures with your phone? Kanye uyibonisa iitshomi zakho.
You know what I mean? So
Poster. Please.
yeah, so special shout out to you guys. That was really, really cool.
Yes, and we had another radio interview.
Oh yes.
How could
That
you
feels
forget
like it was such a long time ago. Whoa.
at KFM with
Malumutibos.
yes, with Uncle T-Boz. Best thing ever. If you guys missed it, you can still catch it on Kaya FM. It's on Kaya FM, guys. Kaya 959's YouTube channel.
Yeah.
What a great interview. What a good time.
Yeah, no, it's excellent.
That man knows how to interview people. That's all I can say.
Knows how to work.
No, he knows how to work, man. That
Yeah.
guy makes you feel like you're just chatting with him. You don't feel like he's trying to extract information
Yeah.
from you, you know?
Don't feel like it was a rate win.
Yeah,
Ungathi usendlini nakhe ngoniyancokola ngoku you're waiting for something, maybe waiting to meet someone or whatever.
Yeah.
Zebra yini.
ngathi usebrian uncokola nje nomnye umalume nje, all right. Also, what we did was we launched the bling thing on.
Yo, hey, May Brul. Exactly.
All these things.
Haman and the house, bro.
So we launched the Bling thing on
Sibling thing.
the sibling thing on the radio,
Yeah.
literally. And the tickets are almost done, guys. So if you haven't gotten your ticket,
by the time this comes out, the thing's gonna be finished.
well, I'm just saying, if you didn't get your ticket, then uzolinde landelayo, or just be a little quick on the draw next time. See?
Yeah. Or you'll have to check in the comments. People saying, "Well, selling a ticket, then I telling her double the price." That would be so cool.
Yeah, so we're doing the sibling thing,
Yeah.
and that's gonna be super cool.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
gonna be epic.
I'm a little bit nervous, but
Really?
yeah, I
Yeah,
mean,
nervous is good.
aren't you?
As long as it's in the excitement.
We're no excitement to corner for real.
Yeah.
So yeah, we had a cool week. I think.
Yeah. No, me, I'm saving my nerves, obviously.
And also,
Yeah.
Zuko dropped everything early last week.
I'm tired. Yo.
Firstly,
I'm
Zuko dropped
tired.
a episode at 12 midnight instead of 12 during the day. So people were like, what? I'm watching you guys in the morning. It feels like a Saturday, right? And then he dropped 2 episodes of...
On the same day.
on the same day, like 2 days later.
At the same time, on the same day.
I was like, I see machine funding. So in case you guys missed that, all the episodes you need are all out. Courtesy of Utam Zupela, of course.
Yeah, look, in case you guys missed that, hold on to that memory and what we are telling you, those who caught it, because it's not going to happen again. My boss was very unimpressed. Yo, you were so unimpressed.
Was I?
Yes, you were very unimpressed.
What did I say?
You were just like, I was like, yo, bruh, I dropped the episodes. No, hoping that you were going to like, oh, no, don't worry, it's fine.
What did I say?
Well, there goes our views. Hi, Mort. Since when are we that kind of group? Oh,
me.
no, that kind of duo. Oh, well, there goes our views.
Well,
Hey, I can go.
I didn't type it like that. I
What
was
did
just
you
like,
You're changing, Delete.
everything.
You're changing.
What do you mean?
Yatshintsha.
Did you tell me?
Hayi ngoku umuntu views. I get scared. I mean, now I'm just like, what are you going to say on the show next?
It's just taking things seriously. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
Yeah.
Fair.
I can't, but yeah, now Mifekam has been chilled. I mean, we were really busy last week. This week is going to be another busy one, I guess.
Okay.
Until siyofika kula top of the mountain.
Yeah.
A sibling thing. Thanks, guys, for everybody who's bought tickets already. People were quick on the draw, man.
No, absolutely. Bro.
We really appreciate it, and we really can't wait to see you guys again on the 15th.
15th of June, yes. 15th of June in Craig Hall Case and Point Studios. Come through and let's have a good time.
And the whole day, the next day, so Paul,
Come on.
ako na stress, na war.
Yes, absolutely.
Anything else you want to share with us?
No.
Are you still sick?
Yeah, as you can see, I'm busy sniffy. But yeah, at least there's no other symptoms. It's only the sniffles.
Okay.
Happy with the sniffles. Says any symptoms is banning like.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
We are baleka though.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm injured. So I'm probably gonna run maybe later on this week. Do you want to tell me about garlic again for la paid partnership? Yeah,
We
garlic.
did. Okay, why is Zama?
Garlic. No, I didn't. Well, I got better. I just needed you to give me caring words.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ucapukela kangaka ulanduke.
Fucking Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry. Just before we jump into the causeness of it all.
Mm-mm.
So, man flu yintoni?
What do you mean?
What's
I've
and yeah,
never heard it, so
I
I don't
hear
know.
people talking about man flu and there's like jokes that fly around again there's a man flu no. And I'm just like, I don't know, have I ever had man flu? I mean, kudala ndiyindoda. You understand the part? I'm like, have I ever had it? What does
You've
it look
only
like?
ever had man
Really?
A man flu for nini, you flu ne?
Yeah.
Cha ke, you just apparently you feel like you're not gonna make it.
And how does that present?
In whatever form, inhloko,
Ufuna
ibuhlungu.
ukhathalelo.
Yeah, okay, I mean, not everybody ufuna ukhathalelwa, but like it feels like your world is ending, but it's just flu.
can you have man? Like now, what I've noticed is that the only people that ever talk about man flu ngabantu abahlala nabo, abantu abatshatileyo. Azange ndava umuntu ozihlalelayo yedwa endlini yakhe.
So you're asking, can you have it? Can you have man flu if you're single?
Because to me, it's like there's like a thing about it. But yeah, no, it's fine. I'll just go and do a little bit more research because like this week it came up because people were getting sick and you're just in general, bucket jokes is the man flu. No. But
you know what? It also might just be that is because you know you can have the attention, you kind of play up your symptoms more than
so the
how they
symptoms.
present.
So you are
No, you have the flu for sure.
Okay. Okay.
And you're just like, bro, you've got the flu. Like, you're gonna be fine. Angikwazi nophakamisa icephe, ufuna utyiswa, ufuna urajwa, ufuna utontoni. Kukutefa, man flu, actually.
Utefa xa ugula.
Uyagula oku. But you just like over tefa.
So yeah, abantu because if awukwazi utefa wedwa, utefa over the phone to your mom who's 1,000 k's away.
I guess not. Awunayo wena man flu zange ube nayo.
Fundini.
Are you even a man?
Ah, you see, that's the problem. Am I a married man? No. Am I a Hlalisana ring man? No.
Are you a man who wants attention when you're sick?
No. Am I a man even? That was your initial question.
Now we're trading on thin lines, bro.
Yeah, sure.
All right, let's get into the Xhosaness of it all.
The Xhosaness of it all.
Dog.
Last week, CSI, I need a break.
CSI need a break. Yeah, CSI need a break because also it was from the previous week. Apho bendienda buys akhona into zamabobosi. Guys, yo.
But you know what I saw there is that in different places, different things are called different things. So you'd be good and well to say it Epai, but then in Cape Town, they'll be like, oh, you said Kapa. Makapa were like, not us. Not today.
Yes.
All right, Xhosaness of it all, here we go. We're here with another lovely kashkashi. Dina makhulu wam.
Hayi kaloku category. Makhulu.
Izinto zendalo. That's the category.
Makhulu. Wow.
Dina makhulu wam uminqo. Kukho abantwana abaninzi abadlala phezu kwakhe.
Pelele. Dina makhulu wam
uminqo. Kukho abantwana abaninzi abadlala phezu kwakhe.
Umjayelo bora. Oh, spy down.
Fair enough, but umjayelo ayonto yendalo.
Umthi. Amagqabi aba badlala phezu. Come on. Come on, boy. You're
so good at this. Every time I'm like, I'm going to catch him with this one. Next catch.
That's wild.
Dinando yam elishiti elikhulu.
Okay.
Alisongeki. So it's just that word, ishiti. You're like, we don't have a word for that. Wild times. But also amashiti.
Yeah, sure.
Dinando yam, it's also izinto zendalo. Dinando yam ilishiti elikhulu alisongeki.
Melba sisibhabhaka leyo.
Dwaga! Swap!
Ay Melba. I thought it was clouds initially. And then I was like, no, it can't be clouds because the clouds is yanyamalala.
Yeah.
There's only one thing that covers
that's constant.
Everything.
Yeah.
Which is because even land doesn't cover
everything
land.
Because there'll be water.
Yeah. Yes. Even land doesn't cover the whole surface.
There's more water than land.
Yeah. I hope. And guys, tell us. I'm reading the bad books.
I think so.
So, okay, I don't want to be in the bad books any further. Oh, man. But yeah, it's all good. Otherwise, uthini ke Madlamini?
Kanti Chomi?
Ngetopic kaloku.
Hey, Philavi.
Hayibo.
Igame yakho la
Yabo, you
kugame.
see, you always do this, bro. I read something interesting that maybe we can talk about. I
Okay.
don't know. But guys, Selita always ignores me when I ask her beforehand about the topic, and then she does this to me all the time.
Oh yes, my game yakho buza ntoni?
Okay, last week Ben Bora was up and did a men's
Yeah,
conference.
but who came up with it?
No ways! The topic is the person. Yeah, I came up with the topic.
Oh, so the person who speaks the most is the one.
No, I came up with the topic though.
Okay, we'll find
Kawen, we're curious. You were just curious. That's what happened. We're curious when.
So if I'm curious about something, it's not my. I didn't come up with it.
No.
Just because we ngone information.
I came up with it because I spoke about Haindaya, nda.
Yabo siyalwa ngoku, guys.
But me.
We've reached a new. Aren't you gonna ask me about Ubawo? Oh.
No.
Okay.
Kuyafuna segment ya. Ufuna uthatha ngobawo?
No, I'm just asking because abantu bayayifuna segment.
Hayi ke Talita kasinika.
Hayi, chomenza uxolelo ngafuna uxolelo hayibo.
Ngiyafuna ngethizi yami yonke. Cha ke I must achaye and go about it because anifuna ba la way over eager. You understand? Because then uzabqosha ke ngoku once be low way.
Ayisaqhoshisi chom.
Jani? Why?
Ayisaqhoshisi.
Because?
Because now I'm like, okay, this is what I do now. Speak about my personal life on the internet.
And how do you enjoy that?
It's not bad, because I can, anbalisi yonke into, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Akomtumazi ubungbani, whatever, it's all good.
Mm-hmm.
We're good, right? So I've done it for like a month now, like a month and a few days, right?
What?
I know, it feels like forever.
Okay.
And I had what?
Topic ya do something. Wow. My God.
No.
I've decided.
No.
Because I always wanted to know how you guys met. And people on the internet have been asking about meet and Jani.
I told you, but this is stuck.
It's fine, Kaloku, but let's get into the detail of that.
Okay, fine. So what had happened was
This is crazy.
So what had happened was I'm out with my friend. We're at like the school's rugby festival. And then go to Puti, and hangs out with us. And then Ati
Was ban.
Wazi ex-husband yalo sisi ngihleli naye.
Okay, so yamazlu was Lusisi actually.
Akamazi usisi. Wazi ex-husband
Eh, kaloku, but
olapha ohleli nathi.
yes.
Mm.
So the common connection. Ukhona naye lo muntu amaziyo.
Ukhona.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Because
So
they all
was
went to
Lamshid.
school together. Yeah.
Oh, okay, sure.
So we're all chilling, see group enkulu, siyancokola, whatever. And then ziphela khomo sezinto when the sun goes down, ziyaphela. So we were like, we didn't really want to go home. So we were like, what are we gonna do now? And then yathi la chepa, I'm hosting a basketball party at my
Sure.
place.
You
Nifuna
win.
ukuza. So we're like, cool. So fine.
Uyadlalwa i-basketball guys obuke. Fresh kaloku ba uba ngoku. Dlala ne-b-ball. Ne-paddle.
Iphero libambe ngale ndawo.
Yo,
at the
paddle
moment.
iyabenzisa
Yeah.
ndanga.
So kuzobukelwa.
Mm.
So we're like, fine, we're gonna come.
Mm.
Fine, ke eventually ahambe lo mfana and then nathi sihambe ke eventually siyofika pha kwakhe, and then there's three of us, three girls. And then sifike singene, and inside there's three guys
Yeah,
and a girl.
okay.
Fine, sifike ke.
Ngule party. Baba.
Aba feature me.
Hayibo. Kakusito hosting a party ucinga mosabantu.
You get together for
Okay,
dinner.
sure.
And then sifike yazi masufika needs introduce, especially especially in small spaces. You literally have to meet everyone.
Yeah.
Like if people come under by 17 now, you wouldn't do that.
Correct,
You know?
and collect all the names that you're not going to remember.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So fine. One of the guys who was there was at that thing with us. So we're like, oh, now lapa, okay, sharp. I'm gonna sharp. Then there's these other two guys that's ngabaziyo. So si dibane nabo. aphakame ke ubawo, and he's tall. And I was like, oh,
No, but you'd already met him before.
no.
And understand him now.
The guy who invited us to the party
Yes.
is not ubawo.
Oh, go host it. Oh, I cook kwabawo lendo.
No.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I was in Gombe. Baune room. Ufitha khona wrong on along the way. Also, we need to stop stigmatizing umuntu bene roommate. Abanye abantu bathanda hlala bodwa. Yeah.
Abanye abantu bakwazi u-afford hlala bodwa.
It's
It's
fine. Yeah, sure. Hundreds.
So dibane naye tall kenjani elithile, and I'm like, oh wow, you're tall. That's nice. Hayi ke. Yabazi ama-O senza humble. Utheni senza humble.
Zenza umntu.
Utheni senza humble. Esobona ngososana. Why do you guys do that? Do you think we like it?
You do. Look at you.
We can see through the shady veil.
I'm sure
No,
you're going to win nkosazana njengam. Kazazi masiba uyiyo.
Hayi. Talking about Queen son. And I was like, immediately I was like, that's an interesting person. Sangokola ke mna naye from the word go. Hey, Ntoni, bukele ntoni? Oh, whose team are you on? Did you used to play basketball? Yeah, I used to play basketball. Hey, Nama used to play basketball. What?
Make me feel like a young girl again. This is so wild. Oh no.
So we end up sitting next to each other and siyancokola like ilantu kincoka ayipheli.
Nincokola ngantoni?
Akho
It's small talk.
Small talk nje
Okay.
fondini, but no, I like your sneakers, whatever, you smell so nice. Whatever, you know, just izinto nje. And so we're sitting next to each other, and then ichomzam after a while, after like 30 minutes, bathi bafuna uhamba, and I'm like,
Hi, bo guys.
andifuna uhamba mna. Also,
Also,
aniboni ba?
Ndora.
Yeah, I don't, guys. What kind of wing woman are you? You guys can see Ndawina Ama. You guys want to leave. And you know how tough it's been for me. Let's get my fucking conference in. Did you girls? Mamilan. I say, I'm
Net, guys, get in your toilet.
Let's get your toilet, jog. So I'm just like, okay, fine. Obviously, ukhona umuntu ongekho happy, so fine. Makwanjweni. So I'm like to him, listen, sizohamba. Ubhuti lo esinvayithileyo yena. He's like,
John.
well, you invite girls over, and then now the hostess ka like ancokolisa.
Umebe ncokolisa kaloku yena kaloku ubhuti.
No, but he's busy. Oh, what would you like to drink?
Oh, yeah, host with the most.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm like, okay, sizohamba ke ngoku. So he's like, oh no, you guys just got here. I'm like, well aware.
Cha phela hawu. Seniyazifikela nkosazana. Cha phela.
But he didn't make a big deal, Shem. You know, some people also like, umntu xa ebona uba iPhone i-grand lewe uzabe sithi hayi suhamba, I'll Uber you or whatever, you know,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
none of that. He was just like, okay, cool. Can I have your number? So I was like, yes, you can. I'm trying not to be too eager here. So we exchanged numbers. Ke ngoku.
Yeah.
So ndimoqhubayo namhlanje. Also, this is why we had to leave because I was driving.
Oh, sure. I-passengers zabo zifuna
Hey,
uhamba. Sure.
Kodwa ndibunotexi. So fine, sahamba ke. Bye. It was so nice to meet you. Oh, I hope to see you again.
Oh, really?
Yes. Tatekile, bro. Immediate tatekile.
Anikayingeni topic yoba sentsho zime njani izinto endlini unomntu awunamntu I've seen any boys njalo njalo.
None of that.
Tatekile.
Tatekile.
As far as you know, at that stage, he could have been married.
He could have been married for all
Okay.
I know, honestly. But we hadn't spoken about that. But it was just the vibes were good. And it was just
Okay.
like, okay, cool, so bon. You know, I like to give the benefit of the doubt, which I shouldn't because it kind of always proves you wrong. But umdu akazukucela inamba yakho kodwa unomntu, you know? I know. Well aware.
My number for me. Come on.
Uzoyicela inamba umntu wakho belapha.
Kaloku mhlawumbi for business.
You have answers for everything. That's the problem, my chest. Answers for everything, bro. So I'm like, okay, fine, start a number sharp. Sihambe. Oyi-one usisi agoduke. Omnye usisi lo nama naye athi masike masijike lapha man kule ndawo. So some of the people that we had been with at the rugby were at this
the
place.
other place, a second location.
Yeah, a second
third location, right?
Yeah. So fine, we go there. Oh, kumandi, whatever. The music's good. Blah blah blah. We chilling, chatting. Like an hour goes by. Bawa and text the ati. Where are you? Are you safe? What in Telubu?
I'm wrong about you safe. Gee.
And then call back and said she said I get
Oh, come on, this guy, yo.
It was early, man. It was probably like 9.
Oh, I think we're fast, girl. We think we're going to 7.
Hey, wait. But also we've been out all day, you know. We got there at like 11 in the morning, so it was a day. So Atilo season number 9. I'm not gonna say anything, you know, and I'm not gonna do anything. Atilo season number 9. Efonin, mntu wam, ndihamba. Uyandibiza ndihamba. So I'm like, you guys made me leave.
Yo.
And then ninishiye.
Ungonongala ke ngozikrebs kuwe ke.
100%. So fine ahambe, and then I'm like, well, yes.
So hamba wedwa.
Delivering myself to the lion's den. So I go back, the same people are there, are still there. It's vibes, chilling, akhonto, bukelele basketball, nyanyan. Ifike senilambile ke mna kamla. Ayikho into mhlambi yokuthiwa efonini besinithengele efonini.
Yo.
Ukutya sanenzela nina naske nahamba. And I was like, oh great. Well, I'm glad. This one girl.
Okay.
Lo ama nomntu wakhe.
Yeah.
So fine. Ubawo athi do iza ndokuphakela.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
What?
Kwenzeka kakhulu ngala mina okuqala bra.
Come on.
Ndiyakuphakela. Ngabuye. Sinithi izinto, can I have your number?
Actually, the love of your life
Whoa.
uzothina uzothula uhlale phansi.
Sorry? Yeah. Hey. Yeah, according to your worry.
Don't worry.
Kutheni khawuleza kukusheka.
On that point, you're khawuleza. So I'm like, fine. Takhonto ngayiyo ndithi no andiphakele kenyani.
Nawe bokuthi.
Ndizitye mushrooms. The pasting ngeyiphi? That's the worst person. Uzogula lo.
I didn't know you pasting a weekend for the nyama.
So unphakele kenyani, and I'm like, wow, a whole Zulu man. Okay.
Yeah, besilwa le.
So andinika ukutya ndihlale phansi, but then I'm like, oh man, I was wearing high tops, so I'm like, I really want to take off my shoes because
You say this out loud?
Ewe.
No. Yeah? Oh no.
Yeah!
What?
Andikhulule izihlangu sana. Ubawo. And you
Yeah.
know high tops take forever to take off because zinkintshele inside there.
Yo, wakhula namakhamandela befihle inhliziyo yakho. Yeah.
Okay. And I was like, this is cool, man. This is cool. Like, what a gent. I like this. I wanna ngumuntu ondimthandazeleyo umuntu onje.
Yeah, awuze wonke yonke. Hayi
And
uze
anditsho
wonke.
banguye ne.
Oh, awuze
But I'm just
wonke.
saying impawu zikhona.
Yo.
So we sat, sancokola, and now there's just hearts in my eyes, I'm sure.
Tata ke qithi right. Sekomandi le conversation awusethatheke.
Abang tata.
Hayi tata.
And then she looked Uncle T, I just want more shit.
You're sorry. Tata. Oh, this is beautiful.
So, fine. Eventually he says something, ne? But like, I can't even remember what it was, but it was in jest and it was a joke, but it was a bad joke. And I was like,
Oh, it's like a distasteful joke.
yes.
Okay.
And I was like, no.
Put my shoes back on.
Yo. I got up, make a plate jam. I came back.
Prima donna. Awuthathi nisba. Awubo uthini?
No, ndimbuzile look when he said it, and I was like, what do you mean? And then he kind of doubled down, and I was like, oh, alrighty then.
Studio.
Yeah, ndandikrendi ndipaphisile gqibe neplate ekumane kufa ukutya. Lovely times. So I'm like, I'm leaving. And he's like, hey, boy, yeah.
That is so weird. Like we cherry. Dog, like this is completely wild for me. Like, wow.
I know I present as umjita, but cherry. That's in the amber.
Something I said.
Hi, boy, I don't understand.
Uthini, bruh?
Uthini, dog. No, I was just joking. I'm like, that's a weird thing to joke about. And chinja up ebusweni for nini and got impressed and for nix for nobalapa. Why was I here?
In fact, bendisiyapi
actually. Now I'm like,
Whoa.
Okay. This was a bad decision.
What? A sharp curve.
Papayan, guys. Papayan, nice to meet you guys. Ndiyahamba mna ngoku. Hi, bo. It's gone.
Huh?
Now he has to walk me down because he has to open the gate for me.
Nabazo abanye because ke nihleli noyi2
Yeah, because
no 10.
So tell So he's like, now all the way down. He's like, no, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean that in a malicious way. And I'm like, bro,
Now.
I don't care. Ndiyahamba mna.
Hi for nini ma ke okay. Now are you acting coy? Or,
No, I don't think
or you just
I
like
don't act coy like that.
Then
Yeah, no, I just...
awufuna ucengwa.
No, beningafuni ucengwa. Benifuna uhamba. Beningafuni ucengwa at all. I was just like, oh, it was good while it lasted. All 15 minutes of it. I guess it's over now.
Okay, you were genuinely just
No,
like,
I was genuinely like,
nah,
no, bro.
back.
Because, another thing is like, we always go, when somebody shows you who they are,
Yeah.
I believe them. I believe.
That red flag yokuqala.
That red flag yokuqala is probably the thing that's going to make you guys break up in the future anyway.
But now you're not even willing to address it.
No, he doesn't get
Phofu
it.
ke ayingomntu wakho ndangam
What are we addressing? Now we've got issues. I just met you.
Yeah, fair.
No, bro.
Yo, someone just go back to situation. I self-love.
That's in the sweet in there. I've got a home to go to. I'm going. He was like, oh my gosh, like, I'm so sorry. Like, I'm like, I don't know you. And this is the thing. And that comes across as, this is the kind of person that you are. And I don't want to hang out with Umdonjena. No, bendijoka nyanyan. That it's easy to say that now, but I'll never know. Awubona bandihamba. Hayi
Suka
Zuka.
ngapha kwam zoba accountable brain yomjita wam. Yeah. Ke weekend. Yeah. Yeah. Sana bhuti.
Ndahamba. Got home.
Yo.
Dalala. He texted that night. Ebuza uba uhambe kakuhle. And I was just like, why would you care? The next
Also
day-
ngicela ngotshekishwa.
Angicelanga notshekishwa. Also, so this does nothing to me. So the next morning, xa ndivuka, ufonile. And I didn't answer. And I was like, because I was just like, dog,
Done.
you apologized. I heard you. What are we talking about now? Uzaphinda uthi sorry.
Saqombile. Indibuze.
Ewe.
What?
Ewe.
You're so hardcore.
The whole day, aphinda wafona. andaphendula.
Yeah.
Wa texta and he was like, please just let me know you're okay. That's all. And I texted Nati, I'm safe.
I can't want you to home safe. Come with Nix.
To who?
Okay.
Dati, no, right, I'm home safe. Wati.
Lamia.
Phela kona ngakwazi uyenza mina sana. Uba it stress. I need to learn, man. Okay, Dati, woo. And then kasagodola khona heater about something.
It is indlala emabuyazi.
So then wathi ngicela ukufonela. Maqoma. Late afternoon ngoku noko sendibuthambaga. I mean also I can't be mad. I don't know you. I can't be mad at you for 3 weeks. So I was like, phone. So boy.
Pure, Jalit.
What?
Nice queen.
No,
Yeah.
got standards and stuff.
Better man than me.
Why? Because I was ucenga wena. I can't imagine.
I'm a phone ke xa uphinde wa right. No? No.
Unimoshile nje.
Andikumoshile wena.
Ewe.
No, ndithethe into ongayithandiyo.
Ewe.
Who are you?
And ayandiphatha
Whoa,
kahle.
who are you? Who are you? Suka khama abantu chance. Kunini uthetha into engazifuniyo mina qha ndinyamezele because ndihamba
That's on
ngumntu.
you.
Dog. Yeah. It's fine. That's fine singabantu and ke suppose ke. You.
So wanzama sana andithambi tu.
Ongathi uzandicela.
Wanzama for nina andithambi tu. Ngokuncokola ezinye izinto ba yazi last night bekumandi. That bekumandi till 1 wathetha nonsense.
Oh no, you're the worst. You're the worst person. You're going to wrong with it.
No man, you know sometimes amajita they get excited. Ndathetha loba yintoni.
Yeah. Fair.
And I understand that. You
Yeah,
see, that's
boom.
real to me.
Boom.
Don't just apologize with nothing, about
Yeah.
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 No, why did you do it, Carl? Like, you have introspect and go back. Okay, but when I went back to the house, and Amachito asking me,
It's job.
what happened?
Uhambe isihlangu esinyathele ngokuthela it. Fake nje le
No,
ndawo
because it takes like
engaphambi.
10 minutes to get back into Heights House. So you can't kumba and get back in. No. And Dabaxelela nabo, they were like, oh, come on, dog.
I know. Fair.
Yeah.
That's nice. I like that.
Yo, it's also like, you see, I like this. Yabona.
At least that's what you thought of it.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
Pamana.
yeah, Pamana la way. So I was like, okay, cool. That's soft. 2 hours later, we're kicking. It's nice house,
Sakika nangoku.
Sisayikika nangoku. I mean, bekukho amagingqigonqo obviously because I needed to understand him, man. And it's a stranger. You don't understand a stranger. You don't
can't.
understand the
Yeah, you're
intent
very
yakhe.
lucky if you do, but also to a certain extent and to a certain point.
Yeah, exactly. So I think the lucky thing is that I've been able to be like, and he's gone. Okay, let's start from the beginning. This is where we are. So fast forward, everything else. Fast forward to last week. And hey, andazi nohlelwe yintoni. But there's like a sober way of treating a thing, and then there's a tatekile way of treating a thing, right? And because it had been so sober, I think my tatekile side was like,
Bafabantu, uthi napakisho phaka niyaphi?
So my tatekile side reared its head this week, bro. Kakbi. Yathi, wena, intoni? Kutheni singathi na? Thena ungathini bantu beyicherry yakho?
Whoa!
Talita ndima.
I love you mna wena udlala ngam. Hey kwathi mna amadoda ende ex yam. What?
Basically.
Oh no. Ubakufika nditachi nje.
14.
Uthi mzubela ziyakhala.
It comes out of nowhere. We're on the phone.
Yeah, and if you kusefonini
Ewe kumandi nihleke isichazo.
ayikuhleli wedwa endlini ebusuku
Uyithinke.
ko-11
No.
ucinga ubhala ucima i-SMS
Oh.
ikubamba kanye ikubambe
On the
lapha phambi
spot.
kwakho lo mntu lowo.
On the spot, bruh. wabe esithi okay
She lost.
ufuna uthini ndathi masiyeke
Yeah.
ngempela."
Yeah. Guys, aniwathethelele amachere nina in your daily lives. Like, you just don't, like, make a good case for, like, women.
No, we will always be
What?
guilty.
Kati.
Ndathi masiyeke. Athi wathi okay ke ndima ngicela ulale phezu kwayo. Cinge. Sincokole ngomso utsho. Hey, ndabe ndizibona ba, hey, I went too far, bro. What is this?
You're a deer caught in the headlights now, like,
I'm
sir.
like, oh.
And also khange udityane wengala energy buze ngayo.
No. Uveske wakhama
what
ubhuti
a
abantu
disaster.
akoyikiswa kulahlwa potential lahlwa wathi
And akaperforma.
Akaperforma.
But hayi sure. Yhu chendodeni, muthi masiyeke. Yhu bexakiwe uba ndiqala ngaphi.
So I was like, okay, fine. I'll sleep on it.
But ke uyazi ba ndithi mina masiyeke
Yeah.
yonke le nto.
The next day, I slept on it nyani. Hey, ndavuka noko ndimoya uphansi. Then I called a friend of mine and I was like, bro, this is what happened. This is what I did. My friend was like, Superman. Sometimes you just need to be told, me Superman.
Oh no.
And she talked me through it. She kind of almost reminded me of who I am, which I really appreciated. And you know, when somebody knows you well enough, they can be like, Talita, wena unje. And now you're doing this for the detriment of yourself. Why would you do that?
Yeah, yes, better.
Yes, you know what you're capable of. You know you're not used to slow burns and stuff, but have you ever tried one? Kawenze for nini, you know? So I was like, okay, fine. Afona ke ubhuti late afternoon wathi
So bound. Bukile ingqondo.
thi okandima athi nkosi yami. I felt so embarrassed. So I was like, oh, why did I do that?
Cela uxolo.
Wathi
Wena.
usuyangilahla ngempela yini? Athi Athi cha baba ngisakulahla.
Yimi bengididekile. Oh no.
Wathi umqondo ushintshe ngani? Ngathi hey, bruh, so I explained, you know, I was just like, oh man, I just needed to be reminded of of my life, of my things, of who I am, of my heart, of my ndondoni. And someone literally talked me off the ledge. And you should thank that person because I wasn't going to be able to talk myself off that ledge. So he was like, okay, cool, whatever. It's fine. I understand, you know, sometimes into xa ungayiqhelanga, you know, yakongamela. And I was like, okay, cool, okay. So back on, grand. Okay, sharp. And then we had to go through. I went and I looked at what I mean, I know it's not love, right? I know that for a fact, but the different way in which I'm showing up in this situation, and the different way in which he's showing up, because andiqhelanga into slow. Into ziyakhawuleza man. Yeah, and it's like, no, it's a sobering thing. It's you don't have butterflies in your stomach because those things is yaqhuba to do
certain things,
to do
yeah,
certain
and
things,
say certain things
and say certain things, and you know, kind of get caught up in word contracts that you might not really mean, and then a month later you're like, oh, I probably shouldn't have said I love you because I don't.
Yeah.
And so I came across this girl's page who was just like, yo man, we have to be sober in these moments, unfortunately, as much as they are geared towards happiness and butterflies and dondoni, but that's not what keeps anything going.
Yeah.
So
You have to kind of really utshintshe igiya ngokwakho ingazihambeli.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
Uthi,
yeah.
okay, I'm ready to go to gear 3 now.
Yeah.
Not oh,
Oh,
ndizibone
idiki loo nto
gear 6.
leyo fondini umuntu abebhizi efuna uba in control kodwa ii-films ziyatsho. Yeah. Hey, such a difficult thing, bro.
It really is. It really, really is. It really is. And but once you kind of go through it, or while you're going through it, you can appreciate it because you're just like, I'm actually making conscious, sober decisions
Sure.
and having time to think about stuff. And no. People are like, oh. So I made a TikTok and I was like, yo, Hasana, okondikhaphe nina kwi-relationships zenu. Xa nifumene uTikTok ongenazi relationships, cela ninditouch. And then people were like, oh, ufubawo, njani bawo single. And I'm like, bro, yeah, it's been a month.
Only a month.
Only a month.
Only a month. Yeah.
I'm like, yes, I'm single.
Yeah.
Ubawo, tenangade. I'm like, bro.
For what? Ungamelephi?
Exactly. And then I was like, in 2 months, where I'm just like, oh, I don't like this. Now I have to break up with you because now we're entered into a relationship prematurely.
Funny kaloku, i-talking stage. Kumele uba kaloku.
3 months. No? Was that not what you were going to say?
No.
Oh, my bad.
Uyipari fonini ngoku iphela inyanga ungekapliti. Uyakhawuleza ubuzwe ngoku mtshana, what are we doing?
Yeah.
What is this?
What are we?
Xhosa, you know the story.
We are the
What
Kuru
do-
Cats. Is what we are. Ngabantu bakayezi.
I really enjoyed that. Fair.
So I'm in a sober space, man. I'm not in the clouds. And kutywa zivizi.
Into ongayaziyo.
Ndiyaziqhuba
Yo.
myself. I'm self-driving.
Oh.
I'm not in an Uber sitting at the back. I'm driving this vehicle.
And you're intentional about it.
100%.
And where you are traveling, not where you are going, because to an extent as well, you're not really in control of that. But you are intentional of where you are.
Oh, 100%. And at any point, and that makes everything easy. That makes communicating easy. So anzukoyi kuthetha into ezithile or whatever, and I can bring up anything, literally.
Clean.
With a pure heart. Because
Clean.
andixokiselanga andithethanga into that I didn't want to say. And I know that.
And I'm genuinely interested in
and
what
I'm
you have to say.
genuinely interested in
Because
what
I'm
you
not
have to say.
agenda.
I'm not agenda. I'm not going, hey, na 42
Hey,
phone,
phone,
nanalo
yeah.
eli xesha lodlala.
Bani uyatshata ngoSeptember.
Wefuneka u+1 wam uzaba ngubani? Xa ungekanipliti. So I'm chilling,
Mhlawumbe
man.
ndisithini ebantwini.
Mhlawumbe ndisithini ebantwini fondini. Ngoku une-segment wena kwi-podcast yam nayo ne-episode namhlanje.
Yeah. Yeah, Nando, progressa apha showing. But also, this is what you guys. Le nto beniyifuna ke guys. I hope ni happy.
I hope you're happy because I'm never doing this again. This is it, gents. This is it. Also, so just before I got here, he called and he was like, "What are you doing?"
Yeah.
And I'm like, "Wow, it's a good podcast." Uthi, yo, uzoyifaka ke ngoku segment kabawo. Uthi, oh, yes. I mean, I might. And then he's like, "You should just have me on that show. You guys will have 10 million views by the end of it." I'm like, ah! Never.
So what we're gonna do is mhlawumbe send pictures noba ziyi-4 then abantu mhlawumbe sizambona abantu bazama uguess uba ungubani kwezi pictures.
Hell no!
Come on,
Never.
come on.
Not a chance. Whoa. It's gonna be the world's best kept secret.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so we're cool, man. I'm learning, man. I think I'm learning so much about myself and the way I've been showing up in these kinds of interactions. And it's cool to kind of go through it with a sober mind.
Yeah, it must be very new, very different.
Very different.
But also very cool if you are absolutely kind of like looking at new ways and better ways of doing things. Iba
100%.
fascinating ke ngoku. More than frustrating at the end of the day.
100%. Because we call our friends, qomba umuntu uyamkhumbula, qomba I miss you so much.
Yo.
Kaske nukubone ngoku.
Oko. I think
Kaske ubone oko, kaske ungahambi.
and then oko.
Yeah, 100%. But now
Whoa.
I can think about him and go, oh, Nsamkhumbuli, and then phone late or whatever without any angst. Just like, Hey, nice to see you. Nice to speak to you. Kakhle. With no angst, bro. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Thank you so much for coming to my TED Talk today. The TED Talk yakho lasekhaya.
Nivile ke mosi from last week i-content yento mhlawumbe men's conference. No. Izinto ezincokola ke men's conference ezo. Ku men's conference ke sivile bakuthethwa.
Be sober-minded, man. Some things are so important. Like deciding on who you want to engage in your own space is an important thing.
Yeah.
And I don't think we take that decision as seriously as we should a lot of the time, because it's love, tiny bubbles, whatever. And it's a cool learning curve.
Yeah, I think it's a very cool thing. I think it's cool in terms of also like being like, be in charge of where you're going.
Yeah.
Yes. Be in charge of where you are. Be in charge and mindful of where you're going.
100%.
Because the last thing that you want is to change before you have. No, the first thing that you want is to change before you have to.
Yeah.
Change, get terms zakho,
Yeah.
not in get terms that have been imposed on you based on the situation.
Yes.
Change. Yeah, I like that. Change before you have to. Because certain things force us to change. And then it's just so much more painful, bro. Whereas you can just change ungekanyanzeleki, which I think is a very, very cool thing in terms of us being able to love ourselves better, in terms of us being able to give ourselves a chance of really exploring those little pockets of happiness. So
100%, bro.
yeah.
I'm glad that you're actually like, I feel like I kind of forced it on you a little bit, but
Yeah, you did, definitely, sure. I don't know about a little bit, like all the way.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, so I'll tell you guys about what I read in the next episode.
Thanks, guys, for joining us once again, and we'll see you guys on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
You know what it is, guys. Thank you so much for being here with us.
And don't forget,
love each other
and yourself.